How to enable or disable developer mode on Xiaomi phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply what you need to do is tap on your about phone section. As you tap on about phone, what you simply need to do is scroll down and tap on the option of build detailed info and specs. Here you can simply see the model and MI versions as well. So you can simply make a long press or tap it like 7 times. And, and there you go. You are now a developer. So you can simply go back and launch the additional settings under settings setting category over here. Scroll down and here you can see we have developer options. Now if you want to toggle it off or if you want to disable the developer options, simply tap on the developer options over here and toggle off these options. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.